Hi, Adam Seegan with Myrtle Beach Home Buyers. We're here today with Emerson. Not only do we buy houses, but we sell them too. So today we're at a closing with Emerson. We sell houses conventionally, and we also have some creative solutions to try and get people in homes too. And so we're a little excited for him. He just wants to tell you a little bit about his experience.
I met Adam a week ago. It was a very pleasant experience. I thought I would have a hard time actually trying to finance a house, and Adam actually made it very, very easy. He made sure there was lawyers and legal people available to help me with the process. And I can say for anybody trying to look for a home, Adam Seegan is the right person to come to. And he's very trustworthy, and I'm happy and grateful I got a chance to meet him. And I'm actually walking into my home today as we speak within another hour.
How long did it take you, the total process?
Total process, maybe altogether, maybe I would say paperwork, maybe total 3.5 hours maybe, but that was split up in different times, so.
But we got you in the house in what, less than a week?
In less than a week.
Less than a week.
Less than a week.
All right, Emerson, man, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. Thank you.